first time giving blood? Yes. They pay cash here, and there's no limit to how many times you give. They even buy it in the jar.
Jared Nomack, we're ready for you now. In the past 12 months, have you gotten a tattoo or undergone any ear, skin, or body piercing?
No.
Where did you get that scar on your chin?
Childhood accident.
You say you don't have any immediate next of kin, is that right?
Not that I'm in contact with.
Nobody to call in case of an emergency?
No one.
No family?
I told you no. Are you telling me I can't be a donor?
It depends. We came up with some unusual results on your blood test.
What? How unusual?
Let me explain. Your blood has a very rare phenotype, one we haven't encountered before.
What are you talking about? Who are you? No.
Sit down, please.
What is this?
This is a good news, bad news scenario, Jared. Good news for us. Bad news for you.
Forget what you think you know. Vampires exist. My name is Blade. I was born half human, half vampire. They call me the Daywalker. I have all their strengths, none of their weaknesses, except for the thirst. 20 years ago, I met a man that changed that. Whistler. He taught me how to hold the thirst at bay. Taught me the rules. Gave me the weapons to hunt with. Silver, garlic, sunlight. 2 years ago, he was attacked. They took him and turned him into the thing I hate most. I should have finished him off. Now I'm hunting him. I will find him, and nothing will stand in my way.